Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mini Cooper Footwell module. This crucial component manages many electrical systems, including your lights, power windows, and central locking. Often, these modules fail after a low battery event or an improper jump start, leading to various electrical malfunctions. Replacing it involves several steps, from careful physical removal to critical electronic programming, ensuring your Mini systems function correctly once again. Before starting any work, prioritize safety by disconnecting your Mini's negative battery terminal. Next, you will need to access the Footwell module, which is typically located in the driver's side footwell. Begin by carefully prying off the plastic sill plate and then the lower trim panel. Use a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to avoid damage. Once the trim is out of the way, you will see the Footwell module mounted low, often near the hood release. With the module exposed, you will find it secured by two 10mm nuts. Carefully remove these. There are also 3 electrical connectors attached to the module, one smaller one on the front and 2 larger ones on the back. Each connector has a locking tab or slider that must be pressed or moved to release it. Once all connectors are detached and the nuts are removed, you can pull out the old module. Install the new module by reversing these steps, ensuring all connections are secure. Installing a new Footwell module is not a plug-and-play process. It absolutely requires programming. The new module must be coded to your Mini's unique vehicle identification number and specific configurations. This critical step typically requires specialized diagnostic tools and expertise, often performed by a professional. After successful programming, reconnect the battery, perform a window reset, and thoroughly test all lights, windows, and other electrical functions to confirm everything operates correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.